Namaste to all. This is Sudha Sarani from Present Vidya Mandir School. Today our session, Grade 5, subject is Maths, topic is Lesson 9, Simple Fraction in Volume 2, month is January, first week, PPT number is Part 1, prepared by myself and going to be presented by myself, Miss Elarasi and Miss Visalatri. Expected learning outcomes. At the end of the session, students will be able to how to reduce fractions to its lowest term, compare and arrange fractions, add, subtract, multiply or divide in fractions, solve real life problems. Puzzle. How to get a number 100 using 4 sevens and a 1. The answer is 177 minus 77 equal to 100. What is an equivalent fractions? Fractions that look different but represent the same amount are called equivalent fractions. Equivalent fractions represent the same part of the whole. For example, 1 by 2 and 2 by 4 are equivalent fractions. What is a like fractions? Fractions having the same denominator are called like fractions. For example, 5 by 9 and 4 by 9. Both fractions are have same denominator. So these fractions are called like fractions. Next, unlike fractions. Fractions having different denominators are called unlike fractions. For example, 3 by 8 and 6 by 7. These fractions are having different denominator. So these fractions are called unlike fractions. What is a reciprocal? The inverse of a fraction is called a reciprocal. Example, 9 by 7 is the inverse of the fraction 7 by 9. How do we reduce the fraction to their lowest form? 33 by 55. First, what are the common factors? So find the HCF. Okay. So HCF we are finding. So whenever you are listing factors, rainbow factors always easy. Every time I'm telling, whenever you are doing the factors, rainbow factors is easy. So 133s are 33 and 3 11s are 33. Next 55, what is it? Yes, 155s are 55. Next 5 11s are 55. So common factors, first circle the common factors and 11, 1 and 11. So highest common factor is 11. So that means we have to divide. So 33 and 55, both factors, both common factor is 11. So divided by 11. So 33 in 11 table how many times? 3 times. 3 11s are 33. 5 11s are 55. So the answer is 3 by 5. And next. A blue ribbon of length 1 3 by 5 and a red ribbon of length 3 2 by 6 are laid end to end on the floor. What is the total length of the ribbon? So which arithmetic operation we will be used? Yes, total length. So we will be fine. Yes, we are using the arithmetic operation addition. Yes. So first, what type of fraction? 1 3 by 5 and 3 2 by 6. Very good. So mixed fraction. So first we will change into from mixed to improper. How can we convert? So denominator same. So these are all already you have learned 4th standard, but I just recall this. So this is 1 is the whole number, 3 by 5 is the proper fraction. Now we have to, the total is a mixed fraction, we will change into improper. Denominator same, you should write it. Then whole number multiply with the denominator. So 1 5s are 5. Then you will add with numerator. So 1 5s are 5. 5 plus 3 8. So what is the answer? 8 by 5. Next, 3, 2 by 6. First denominator you should write the same number, then multiply. 3, 6 are 18, 18 plus 2, 20. So 20 by 6. And find, so look at the fractions. Denominators are different, so these fractions are unlike fractions. So we need to change into like fraction. So like fraction we need to change means first find the LCM. So LCM is, so 5 and 6 both are not have the common factor. So we directly multiply 5 6 are 30. So LCM is 30. LCM is 30 means now 8 by 5 we should, so look at this. So LCM is 30. So LCM is 30. So which number multiply with 5 we will get 30. Yes, very good. 6. So 6. The same number should be multiplied with numerator. So 6 8s are 48. And which number we will multiply with 6? We will get answer is 30. So 5. 6 5s are 30 means same number should multiply with numerator. 25s are 100. So now 48 by 30 and 100 by 30. The both fractions are like fraction because the same denominator. So we should multiply 148 divided by 30. So can we reduce the fraction? Yes, because both factors are having common factors 2 tables. So 15 2s are 30, 7 2s are 14, 4 2s are 8. So 74 divided by 15. So look at this. Whenever you are doing the comparison, addition or subtraction, look at the fractions. So like fractions only we can do directly, or otherwise unlike fraction means first find the LCM and the same denominator you have to change it. So you have to convert from unlike to like fraction, then only do it. Do the addition or subtraction or comparison. Next multiplication. So an example, 3 by 5 multiply 2 by 8. So numerator multiply and denominator multiply. So 3 2s are 6, 5 8s are 40. That's all. Next. Now division. Division is fraction. Some rules are having. So first, let's see the rules. To divide fractions, remember the RCI rules. RCI rules is very, very important. R means retain. The first fraction remains the same. Change. Division is changed to multiplication. Next, inverse. The second fraction is inverted. Let's apply the rules and we will do the division in fraction. What fraction should be multiplied with 3 by 7 to get 1 by 2 as a product? So, what is the question saying? X multiply. That means which fractions multiply with 3 by 7 to get the answer is 1 by 2. This is only. So, x only we need. So, 1 by 2. So, here 3 by 2 here multiply. So, it will come. So, left side to right side or right side to left side. It will change to symbol totally change. See, here multiplication means here division. So, divided by 3 by 7. Now, we will apply the RCI rules. What is the RCI rules? Or first retain of the first fraction. So, x equals 1 by 2. So retain of the first fraction. Next, C. C means change the symbol. So division symbol change to multiplication. And RCI. I means inverses. So inverse of, that is the second fraction of inverted. Okay. So what is the inverse? So 3 by 7 means, inverse means nothing but it's a totally changed. Numerator is changed to denominator. Denominator is changed to numerator. Now 3 by 7 means 7 by 3. Now multiplication. So numerator, numerator multiply, denominator, denominator multiply. 1 7s are 7, 2 3s are 6. That's all. So 7 by 6 fraction only, multiply with 3 by 7 to get 1 by 2. Summary of this session. What we have learned from this session: reduce fractions to its lowest term, how to compare and arrange fractions, how do we do add, subtract, multiply, add, divide in fractions, finally solve real life problems. Thank you for watching this wonderful video. Thank you all.